This Simply Magic mop bucket, I think, might be perfect for an RV or a tiny home. It's very small, but it's got all the features you might want. It's on wheels. It's got a silicone rubber plug, which makes it real easy to clean and keep track of. It's got a main handle for moving it around, and then it's got the spinners. So your mop heads are round. They interface with the spinner head, and they spin in the mop bucket. They spin up here to spin dry. It's got a little place here so you can add disinfectant or scent. And then what I really like is that the whole spinning action happens in the handle. You use it like normal. You unclamp this, and you don't have any mechanisms in the mop bucket. So the mop bucket is essentially just a bucket. Very small, all the features of a really large mop bucket. Hope this helps.